RV with me.
In today's RV review, Jules will be reviewing the 2017 Axion. Built by the Erwin-Heimer Group, the Axion is German engineered, European designed, and North America built.
And with the new Axion, you can experience the comfort and ease of driving with its shorter exterior length of just 17 feet 9 inches. Now, my friends, before I get into my review of the Axion, normally what I do is I review RVs based on me and my family of 4, myself, my husband, and our 2 children. Now, the Axion is designed for 2 people, so I'll be reviewing it through those eyes. Now, there's a lot of cool upgrades that are in this particular Axion, beginning with it has an under hood generator. The other thing it has is it has an upgraded Dodge chassis. Now, there's a couple things here that I want to point out to you that I think are really nice too. It's always nice to have a step going in and out of your RV. Now, sometimes you'll find a step that's a power step, in other words, where it goes under the RV when the doors are shut and it pops out when the doors open. This does not do that. The stair is fixed. But I kind of like that. To me, it lends for just a little bit more stability, in my opinion. Now, the other thing is it does have a really nice awning with LED lighting. Now, you know me, I'm all about looking for the pros and the cons. Now, this awning is not a power awning, it's a crank. But what I did do was I tried it. It's actually really easy to do, and I think here's why. I measured the awning, and it's just 9 feet 4 inches, so it's actually quite easy to do. So overall, I'm loving this Axion so far. Now let's check out the interior. Now, the first thing I want to mention is the height of this motorhome. Now, I'm short, I'm only about 5'4", but my camera guy is 6'3". Now, when he took his shoes off, he could fit in here easily with a little bit of room. So great feature for a smaller motorhome. The other thing is in the driver passenger area. Now, there's actually a lot of room to get in here. It doesn't feel compact. There's a lot of foot room, so I'm really liking that. There's great visibility in the windshield. Also, when it comes to Command Central, it has AM/FM radio, CD. It has a USB port, of course. It's set up for Bluetooth, and it has a GPS navigation system. So when it comes to fun times and knowing where you're going on the road, this Axion has it all. The other thing I really like is these chairs swivel. Now, once again, this is designed for 2 people. It sleeps 2, and it only has seat belts for 2. But let's say you're out at the RV resort or the campground, you want to kind of invite a couple friends in for a cocktail, a little bit, playing a game or whatever, with these chairs swiveling. Now, this whole area becomes like a living area for fun. There also is a table that will goes right in here for a little coffee or whatever. There's another table here where you can eat your meals at and also play games. Now, moving into the kitchen area, there is a refrigerator. This counter comes out for more storage. There's also a 2-burner cooktop. There's also a nice stainless steel sink with a nice fixture. Of course, there's a microwave, but check this out. There's another counter that comes up here. So once again, for a 17-foot 9-inch motorhome, this has got a lot of room. I'm really liking it. There's also a lot of storage. Now, loving the TV. It's on a nice little mount here. So if you're on in bed or watching from the chairs, you can check it out nicely. It also comes with a DVD player. Now, the other thing is this. So what about sleeping? This is a bed for 1, obviously. If it's you and your significant other, this will come out and become sleeping for 2. Now, you know me, I'm all about the positives and the negatives. When this bed comes out, although it's comfortable, now you can't get into the bathroom area without crawling over each other. But hey, RVing's all about romance. That might be a good thing. Anyway, now let's check out the bathroom. But before we do, I want to point out the doors are open, the back doors to the Axion. Now, the thing that's cool about that is you can access the bathroom without walking through the RV and bringing in all your dirt. So I'm all about that. Now let's check out the bathroom area. Okay, guys, although it's compact, this bathroom has everything I'm looking for. Now check out how cool this is. You press this little button, and out of the side comes this sink. The water drains right down there. Of course, here's the fixture. So that's awesome. Of course, you have your own toilet. We all need that. Now, one thing I thought, though, where in the heck's the shower? I didn't see one anywhere till I realized this fixture here becomes a handheld shower. Now, you got to get a little creative to use that, but here's the deal. I'd rather have that than have to deal with a public shower at a campground, so I'm loving this. Now, most importantly, as I said before, this is a 17-foot 9-inch motorhome. Now, this is definitely the smallest motorhome I've ever reviewed, and actually the smallest one I've ever seen, but here's what I love. You can park it just about anywhere. You can also easily take it to when you're driving through the city, going on your RV adventures. You don't have to look for exceptionally large parking, so I'm really loving this for my husband and I. Now let's see how this Axion takes on the road. Wow, with a backup camera and a navigation system, I have extra visibility and I can get to my location easily. Plus, Plus, with the underhood generator, the Axion generates 5,500 watts of power per hour while I'm driving. The Axion is also front-wheel drive and boasts the shortest turning radius of any Class B on the market today. It's so easy to park anywhere. So here's my overall rating of the 2017 Carado Axion. For drivability, I give it a 9.95. Interior storage, an 8. Fit and finish, a 9.25. And for features, a 9. So my overall rating of the 2017 Carado Axion is a 9.05. And listen, when it comes to my wallet, I'm always looking for the best price when I go shopping for anything. The list price of this Axion is $84,297. And with outlet pricing at Seagram's RV, you can find the Carado Axion for $79,991.
RV with me.